it isn't true. Your class is taking a field trip to the carnival. Tough break, mate. Sorry about that. Camera slipped. Anyway, you better keep on your toes. One false move, and Lord Field will take you down. Along with your entire class.
All the places to go on a field trip. Why do it have to be the carnival?
What are you complaining about? You're not the one on the diet.
Since when have you been on a diet?
Since my mom caught me drinking chocolate syrup from the bottle. Anyway, I promised to kick the junk food habit for an entire day. Donut holes. Maybe just one?
No, Chuck, don't do it!
You gotta help me, man. I'm weak. I've got no willpower.
That's enough, you two. We're going to a carnival, not a circus.
No, wait.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
You're toast, Pawn.
Oh, bad move, Sparks. Haha, checkmate. Game over.
I want a rematch. Nobody beats me twice.
Tough luck, Sparks. We're all out of pieces. We blasted them all.
Oh, come on, Ace. These games are boring. Let's hit the carnival. I'm looking for some real action.
Listen, I promised Mark we'd stay away from the carnival while his class was there. Power down. He'll call us if he needs us. We'll play another game. I think it's called checkers.
Forget checkers. Check this.
Hi, kids. Hey, welcome to the carnival. Hey, hi, boys and girls. How's it going? Say, Mr. Huckleberry, why don't you say a few words to the kids?
Hi, kids. I'm Mr. Huckleberry. Welcome to our new family-friendly carnival of fun, where we're one big happy family. You wanna give me a hug?
I am not hugging that ratty little dummy.
Who you calling a dummy?
Hey. What, dummy?
Excuse me, kids.
I gotta have a word with Mr. Huckleberry here. Mr. Huckleberry and I got something to discuss.
I want a word. What's the matter? What are you doing, huh? You're supposed to be hugging the customers, not attaching them. We're family friendly now. Remember?
Yeah. Family-friendly, family-friendly.
You gotta forget about her, man.
I wish I could.
I've been there, dude. Because girls are like candy. Once you get a taste, you gotta have more. But if I could quit cold turkey, so can you, dude. We'll do it together, man. All he needs willpower. Willpower. Ooh, yeah.
Willpower.
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 You got it, man.
Yeah.
Your move.
Huh? Ace! All right. This game's for real. You're toast, big guy.
puny sparks go for a ride. And we'll squash you like tiny bugs.
Dude, my stomach feels weird.
It's called hunger, Chuck. But be strong. You'll make it. This might be a good time to get some tickets.
Okay, as long as I don't see any food, I'm cool.
Hi, having fun?
Well, it is better than last year's trip to the shoelace factory.
Shoelace factory. Sounds exciting.
Especially when Wayne tried to tie Chuck to a conveyor belt.
Sorry.
I can't believe it.
Can't believe what?
Every time I try to talk to Mark, his cell rings.
What's with you two? Hi, yes, it's me. I'm at the carnival, but everything's fine.
I wish I could say the same here, kid.
What's wrong?
Anvil showed up for some fun and games.
What?
Just lay low, kid.
There's too many people here. Lordfield wouldn't try anything.
Where's Mark going? Nowhere with me. Come on, let's go check out some rides.
By now, Lightning's energy source has been destroyed. They'll soon be low on power. Yes, everything is going as planned.
And might I say, my lord, what a brilliant plan it is.
You might.
Hot dogs. Cotton candy.
Oh, the best.
Caramel corn. Candy apple. You're killing me, man.
What's the matter, kid? Don't you know good junk food when you see it?
Don't get me started, mister. You don't know what you're dealing with.
I've seen you type before. Trust me, I got the goods. Two-day sucker with an inferno fireball center in it.
Whoa, gimme!
No way! That's my sucker, sucker!
Mr. Huckleberry, play nice!
No, Charles, no what?
You dummy's got issues, man.
Come on, Charles.
Oh, wait. Let's see, this part could go here.
Titanium Crusader? Boring. Hey, Ace Man, let's hit the road.
Forget it, Sparks. I'm not going anywhere until this transformer's fixed. My power level is way too low.
I can't sit around here reading comic books about these losers. They don't know what they're doing. Look, I gotta get out there and kick some butt.
What? Oh, yeah, okay. Why don't you take a spin around the carnival? See what's going on.
Yes! Lightning flash, to me! See ya, Ace.
Oh, and don't get into any fights. Your power's too low.
Yeah. Later, Lightning!
I'm telling you, this guy's really scary.
Yeah, right.
Back for some FaceTime? the impetuous Sparks. I'm surprised you had the strength to stand, let alone come to visit my humble abode.
Save it, Fear. I'd blast you right now if this carnival wasn't full of kids. I'm here to make sure nothing happens to them.
I'm deeply hurt. Perhaps you haven't heard. This carnival's family-friendly.
Yeah, I heard it, but I don't buy it. So take this as a warning. You lay a finger on those kids and you answer to me and Ace.
How dare you enter my domain and tell me what to do? I'll show you and those tiresome teeny boppers who runs the show around here.
Aw, bring it on, Bone Man.
Watch your back.
You've been a very naughty superhero, Sparks. But you're merely a pawn in this game. Just part of my master plan to checkmate a lightning knight.
Oh, that's good, my lord. Very good indeed.
Say, Mr. Huckleberry, why don't you tell the kids all about our family funhouse?
You bet, Duffy! Well, kiddies, welcome to our world of family fun. If you like wasting your time and your money, you'll love our family funhouse.
Lousy rat. What do you... That's not family friendly.
Look, I'm sick of you telling me what to say. You are stifling my creativity.
But you're my dummy.
I am not your dummy. I am my own dummy.
Lousy rat.
Leave that crazy clown over there? Come on, you guys. Everybody's going inside the funhouse. You guys go ahead. I'll catch up later.
All right. Come on, Heather.
I was looking for you. Do you want to talk?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Caramel corn. Cotton candy. Soft ice cream. Candy apples. Give me strength!
This is so lame. Let's bail.
Agreed.
Excellent work, my loyal staff. We've welded the door shut and trapped them in the fun house.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Precisely. We can dispose with these meddlesome mortals at our leisure. Now come. Come and help me pick off the rest of them as we bait the trap for lightning.
Hey, where's the exit?
Does anyone know how to get out?
Banana. What a delicious and healthy alternative to ice cream.
Well done, Chuck.
You too, man.
That should do it.
Hey, we want out!
Is anyone out there?
Help, please!
Someone please help us.
That's strange. Where's all the class gone? Sounds like they're in the fun house.
Hey, how should I know? These punks aren't my problem, Mac. Hey, enjoy your family-friendly ride?
Is this safe?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how to say this, so I'm just gonna say it. But maybe I shouldn't, because then you'll think I'm some kind of freak. You'll never look at me in the same way.
Mark, it's okay.
Right. You might have noticed, sometimes I act kind of odd. Right. Well, the reason is...
Did you hear that?
Cheesy, anyone?
I'm sure it's nothing. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is...
No, that's not nothing.
It's probably just Wayne causing trouble.
That's not Wayne. Come on.
I give up.
Think you'll get away with this? You just wait until Ace gets here.
I'm counting the seconds until that arrogant imbecile arrives. 3, 2, 1.
Ace! No! Ace! It's a trap! No, wait!
It's Mr. Chesbro! I'll take care of the ride. You check out the funhouse.
Easy, anyone?
Mr. Chesbro?
Ace, tell me you fixed the transformer and you've got your power back?
I tried to rescue you, didn't I? Do I have to do everything?
I'll take that as a no.
My, how the mighty have fallen. I carried a staff because you crippled me in battle, Lightning. Now I can use it to destroy you. Poetic, isn't it?
Oh, it's a beautiful poem, my lord. I couldn't have said it better myself. Got a bit of a problem here, your lordship.
Hey, Spots, what happened?
I'll tell you later. Stand aside, kid. I've still got enough juice to stop that ride.
You were right, Ace. I shouldn't have taken him on. I don't know what to say.
Just say thanks and get us out of here.
Well, that's easy. Thanks. Lightning flash, to me. See you, kid.
So long, kid.
Yeah! Let's hear it for Sam!
Okay, everybody. Back on the bus.
Take that, you stupid dummy! Oh, I hate this dummy! Oh!
Hey, you guys want a candy for the road? Hey, you want a candy? Did you have fun? Did you have fun today? Hey, wait, you don't have to go, you know. Don't forget to tell all your friends about our family-friendly carnival, okay?
Oh, yes. I'll be sure to tell everyone about this disaster area. The police, the safety inspector, my lawyer.
Hey, Jack.
Hey,
What's that?
my alarm. I did, dude. I made it through the entire day without eating junk food.
Chuck, the day's not really over.
School day is.
Is this seat saved?
Yeah, for you.
If it hadn't been for that miserable sidekick, I'd have annihilated Ace Lightning.
Does that mean that we're not going to be family friendly anymore?
Shut up, you moron! What do I care about families? Unless it's a way for me to destroy Ace Lightning and his sidekick. Get out of my sight!
You heard Lord Fear, you insignificant worm. The sight of you makes him sick.
Yes, Lord Pharaoh, Evil One. The worm is leaving. The worm is going. Now. Leaving.
That brat's been a thorn in my side since we arrived in this dimension. It's time to take off the gloves and bring the battle to his doorstep. Next time, my loyal staff, we're going to pay a little visit to his home sweet home.